We arrived at the beautiful St. Michael's. This is the Maritime Museum right here. This is the famous Crab Claw restaurant. And this is our boat. But unfortunately, we are leaving this bad boy behind because yesterday we lost the prop on it. So what happens is that even though it served us well, okay, this little 5324, but it's time to say goodbye to this lovely boat and to switch to, wait for it, Fontaine 44-foot motor catamaran Hondo, which is a 2-level, well actually it's 3-level Fontana.
So then going out, there's I'm not really sure why they don't have Egyptians. You guys know how it works.
This has a dinghy, and this has a nice little 3 levels on it. So we don't mind taking the last 2 days on this little bad boy just to see what the motor experience may deliver to us. Really nice. And there's the part of the Maritime Museum, the lighthouse, some old authentic, boat restorations going on. Here's the wooden boat being built. That's a part of the museum also. The bell rings when the fog is out, 3 times. This is good stuff. Old boats, old yards. Bye bye, St. Michael's.